Hello everyone. Today we will be talking about the largest passenger ship. Ano nga ba ang pinakamalaking pampasaherong barko sa buong mundo? The largest passenger ship is the Royal Caribbean's Icon of the Seas, which launched in early 2024. It accommodates 5,600 passengers and up to 7,600 total of guests, supported by a crew of 2,350, which is 3 times bigger than the famous cruise ship Titanic. The Icon of the Seas became the largest passenger ship because it has a total of 2,805 staterooms divided across 31 unique categories. These include various options such as interior cabins, ocean view staterooms, balcony rooms, and luxurious suites. The breakdown includes approximately 1,815 balcony staterooms, about 70% of the total staterooms, 276 ocean view staterooms with windows, 534 interior staterooms, 176 suites of varying sizes and amenities. So right now, we will be talking about the largest cruise ship pool in the world. Back then, I was wondering why spending a lot of money to build a pool in a cruise ship if the ocean right there is free and open. I know it's for safety, however, as I search about my presentation, I realized a lot of things that it's not all about safety, it's also about the cleanliness, unlike the unpredictable open ocean. They allow guests to swim comfortably without worrying about waves, currents, or marine life, enhancing the overall vacation experience. Additionally, the pool can host team events, family activities, and poolside entertainment not feasible in the ocean. So, what is the largest cruise ship pool in the world? The largest pool at sea is the Royal Bay on Icon of the Seas. This massive pool contains 40,000 gallons of water and spans 5,813 feet. It's located on Deck 15 in Chill Island area surrounded by shaded loungers, whirlpools, and relaxation spot designed to give guests an immersed ocean view experience. Did you know that filling large cruise ship pools typically takes a few days? The Royal Bay Pool, with its 40,000 gallons capacity, likely took about 1 to 2 days to fill using advanced pumping systems. Not unlike our typical swimming pool in our front yard and backyards, it only takes a few hours to fill our swimming pool. Also, cruise ship pools use filtered seawater or treated fresh water. They refill daily or every few days with continuous filtering and chemical treatments to maintain cleanliness and safety. Fun facts about the Royal Bay Pool at the Icon of the Seas. The pool is designed with multi-level areas including shallow wading sections, deeper swimming zones, and in-water loungers surrounding in hot tubs and whirlpools for relaxations. You can really see in my presentation the multi-level areas, good for kids, or for the advance on swimming, you can go to the more deeper part of the swimming pool. To prevent water from spilling in every pools in cruise ship, large pools on ships requires advanced technology to counterbalance the vessel's movement. Designers use stabilizers to prevent water from spilling even in rough seas. Icon of the Seas has also infinity pool, another standout in the Hideaway, the first suspended infinity pool at sea. It's located 135 feet above the ocean, offering stunning views from the aft of the ship. It is also environmentally friendly. Cruise pools typically use a closed-loop filtration system, reducing the need to replace water frequently. The Royal Bay Pool follows this system, ensuring efficient use of resources. It is also entertainment hub. Adjacent to Royal Bay is Swim and Tonic, the largest swim-up bar on a cruise ship, creating a lively atmosphere with a resident DJ and tropical themed cocktails.